transport by air, road and rail, industry, energy, public works, architecture. Through its broad range of rolling machines, PICOT is present worldwide. Close to Lyon, in the heart of an important economic and industrial region, PICOT applies all its expertise and experience to ensure that its production is reliable, high quality and easy to use. The PICOT engineering department designs the entire range of our roll bending machines, from the mechanical structure to the numerical control systems. The engineering department remains at our customers' disposal to meet the most specific technical requirements, specific materials, special characteristics, space limitations, or to complete the design analysis and integration of the machines in their process. Numerical control, part ejector, top support, plate tracker. PICOT manages and controls all the operations necessary for the manufacture of its rolling machines. As the main parts, rollers are machined very carefully by specialist operators. For optimum reactivity and cost control, the frames and mechanical elements are assembled in-house. Our technicians are totally involved in the quality of the machines produced, and they apply their expertise and experience to guarantee the reliability and performance that have forged the reputation of PICOT rolling machines for more than 100 years. PICOT can also renovate its earlier rolling machines or upgrade them to current safety standards as a function of the customer's production requirements. To complete our offer, our technical personnel can perform the operational startup of the rolling machines and also train operators in our own workshops or on the customer's site, both in France and abroad. Customer support is immediate and provides telephone assistance for any feasibility or maintenance problem or to solve any technical problem on the rolling machines. Based on its long experience over the years, AMB PICOT has developed a broad range of machines that are always original and technologically advanced to meet all forming, rolling and bending requirements, from the smallest to the largest pieces, and for single unit or series production. PICOT is very present on the French market and also exports to Europe, North Africa, the Middle East, India and Russia. The company also presents its latest developments at many trade shows. PICOT is all the expertise of a French manufacturer working to advance rolling technology.